Welcome back, students. Hope you all are fine, happy, and healthy. Now, I am going to explain the topic why a baby become male or female and what determines the sex of a baby. Sometimes we observe that a mother give birth to a male child, or sometimes she give birth to a female child. So the different sexes, male and female, is caused due to certain factor. So what is the factor behind the male or female sexes? First of all, do you know, in our first chapter we have already, in the chapter cell, I have already explained you that inside the nucleus there are 46 number of chromosome, either in the male or the female. So in this 46 can be called 23 pair. 23 pair. But in case of male and in case of female, the number of chromosome inside the cell is 23 pair, and here it is also 23 pair. If in of this 23 pair, 22 pairs are just like same in male and female. Okay, only the last pair, that is one pair, is different. What is the main difference between the one pair? In male, the last pair is called XY chromosome, and in female the last pair is called XX chromosome. Understood? So what have you observed over here? In male and female, both the nucleus of the cell contain 23 pairs of chromosome. All about 23 pairs of chromosome, 22 pairs in both male and female are same. Only one pair in male and female are different. So in male, the one pair is X and Y chromosome, and in female it is XX chromosome. Understood? So what happened? Suppose this is a male XY, this is a female XX. When the male forms sperm, each sperm get either a male or female. When the male produce sperm, each sperm receive either one X chromosome or one Y chromosome. But in case of female, when the ovum produce, each ovum contain one X chromosome. So what happens when this X and this X meet together? When fertilization between this sperm and then this ovum take place. So you can see here a pair of X comes over here. So when it is X, again she will be female, means this baby will be female because this baby contain double X chromosome. Understood? But when this Y meet with this X, at that condition it become XY and the baby become male. So what is the reason behind the male and female child produce? It is the chromosome that present in the sperm or ovum. Okay, understood? So let us study. We will understand all the things once again. How does a baby develop into a male or female child? So here the first question arises. This event is purely a matter of chance. Remember, this X of the male sperm will fuse with this X of female sperm is just a matter of chance, or this Y will fuse with this X is also a matter of chance. If Y will fuse with the X, it become XY and the baby will be male. But in this case, when X meets together, it become double X and the baby will be female. Understood? So you must understand that it is a matter of chance. Which kind of sperm See, here a sperm contain X chromosome and the here ovum contain X chromosome. When both of them X chromosome contain fuse together after fertilization, it gives a birth to a female child. Is understood? So it's a matter of chance. Which kind of sperm will fuse with the egg? It's a matter of chance. Either the X containing sperm will fuse with the egg or Y containing sperm. See here, it is a Y containing sperm will fuse with the egg. At that condition, it becomes XY. It becomes XY and it gives birth to a male child. So it is a matter of chance. Understood? Means anyone cannot produce a male child or female child by their own. It's a matter of chance which kind of sperm fuse with ovum. Either the X containing sperm will fuse with the ovum or Y containing fuse with the ovum. So if Y containing sperm fuse with the ovum, it cause the birth of a male child. So let's study. So this event is purely matter of chance and is determined by the type of the chromosome or sex chromosome. Understood? So what are the different sex chromosomes found in the male? Write down this question. What are the different sex chromosomes found in the male and in the female? Write down this question. What are the different sex chromosome found in male and female? Okay. And the second question, how does a baby develop into a male or female child? So it is obviously a very big answer, but here the answer is already given over here. This event is purely a matter of chance and it determined by the type of sex chromosome a child inherits from his or her parent. So it is the answer of this question. And what is the chromosome that is found in the male? So the sex chromosome that is found in the male is X and Y, and that is in female XX. Write it down. It is the answer of that question. Okay. So let's study the more. We have studied earlier that human cell have 23 pairs of chromosomes. So how many chromosomes are there in a single cell? 23 pairs. Okay. And how many pairs of sex chromosomes are present? Only one pair of sex chromosomes are present. Note down this question. How many pairs of chromosomes are there in a cell? How many pairs of chromosomes are there in a cell? Human cell. And how many sex chromosomes are there in male and female? That question has already been given. If you want, you can write. Okay, so we have studied that earlier that human cells have 23 pairs of chromosomes. Out of which 23 pairs, only one pair is responsible for influencing the sex of a child. How many pairs influence the sex of a child? One pair. Understood? Every female has one such pair of X chromosome. Female has pair of X chromosome, means XX. Understood? Pair of X chromosome. And as the sex chromosome, whereas in male, one such pair means one pair of sex chromosome contain X chromosome and a Y chromosome. So in male it is XY, a pair of chromosome X and Y found. Okay. So if a sperm carrying X chromosome fertilize with ovum, if the sperm containing X chromosome fertilize with ovum is always Y, X. So in that case there will be a female. If X containing sperm fuse with the ovum, it become double X and the baby will be female. And if Y containing sperm fuse with the ovum, in that case it will be XY and the baby will be male. Understood? Such a zygote would develop into a female. However, if the sperm carrying Y chromosome fertilize the ovum, in it forms the zygote with XY chromosome resulting in the male child. So the next question, what is the cause of male child what is the cause of born of male child? Born of male child. What is the cause of born of male child? Note down this question. There are so many questions arises. Now, hormone other than sex hormone. In last you have already studied about the sex hormone, that is testosterone, estrogen and progesterone. In male, the sex hormone is testosterone, and that is in female is estrogen and progesterone. I have already explained the functions of that hormone. Now we will study the other hormone that are present in the both male and female, and that is responsible for the different kind of function both in male and female. So let us study. Apart from the sex hormone, means there are so many sex hormone in the male and female. Apart from them, means other than this sex hormone, the body also produces several other hormone from the endocrine system. So what is endocrine system? Endocrine system is a kind of system which produce hormone from endocrine glands, and there are so many endocrine glands. Okay, so there are so many endocrine glands that pour that their secretion directly into the blood, and these secretion move to the target organ, and from there they work according to their nature. Okay, so the secretion here it is already written. The secretion of all hormones are controlled by pituitary gland or master gland. So note down the question. Which gland is called master gland? Which gland is called master gland and why? Master gland and why? So obviously pituitary gland is called the master gland because it controls the other. Pituitary is called the master gland. Pituitary is called the master gland because it controls the other gland secretion of the other gland. So the secretion of all other hormones are controlled by the pituitary. That's why it is called master gland. Understood? So where is pituitary found? Where is, note down this question, pituitary gland found? Pituitary gland found. So pituitary gland found just below the hypothalamus under the brain. Pituitary gland found just below the hypothalamus of the brain. Pituitary gland found just below the hypothalamus. Hypothalamus. Note down this answer. Obviously it is not given, that's why I am giving the answer. So note it down. Pituitary gland found just below the hypothalamus in the brain. Understood? So now we are going to talk about the different kinds of gland. First gland is the thyroid gland. So name the hormone secreted from thyroid gland. Note down this question. Name the hormone secreted from thyroid gland. Thyroid gland. So which hormone secreted from thyroid gland? The answer is comes over here. Thyroid gland secretes thyroxine. So where is the thyroid gland? Just see over here. It's just present below the larynx, on the both side of the larynx. Just look like a butterfly. So this is the thyroid gland. It present just below and present on the both side of the larynx and look like the wings of butterfly. Okay. So you can see what is the function of thyroid gland. State the function of thyroid gland. Note down this question. State the function of thyroid gland. Function of thyroid gland. Thyroid gland. Note down this question is one of the most important question. State the function of thyroid gland. So, and state the location of thyroid gland. State the location of thyroid gland. Note down this question also. So location is present on the both side of the larynx. Just look like the wings of butterfly. Note down this question and answer also. It present on the both side of the larynx, look like the wings of butterfly. Understood? Now let's start. Function of the thyroid. So inside our body there are lots of metabolic processes going on. Metabolic process means all those processes that is taking place inside in your body together called metabolic process. So the speed of the metabolic process, suppose like respiration or breathing. How many times do we breathe in a minute? We breathe about 14 to 18 times in a minute. So breathing, rate of respiration, rate of digestion, rate of assimilation, and so many functions that is taking place inside the body of a human being, obviously controlled by thyroid gland. And how the thyroid gland maintain the speed of the functioning of the system. Means how many times do we breathe in a minute? If we breathe 14 to 18 times a minute, it's a normal. Means the thyroxine gland allow the lungs and the other system to breathe in normal way. But if the secretion decreases, the breathing rate will also decrease. If the secretion increases, the breathing rate is also increase. In the same way, if the secretion decreases, the rate of digestion decrease. If the secretion increases, the rate of secretion. So all the functioning inside the body is, all the metabolic functioning, the speed of the metabolic functioning is controlled by this thyroxine. Understood? So which is regulate the utilization of protein, fat, carbohydrate in our body. This hormone requires iodine for formation. So it is the main function. Whatever the function is given inside your book, you have to learn that. Okay. Obviously, I told many more things about it, but according to the standard of the class, you not need to learn that much. Whatever it is given in the book, you need to learn that. Okay. Obviously, whatever I told, if you want to write, you can, and that is also very good for the preparation. Next, name the element. Name the element which help in secretion of thyroxine. Secretion of thyroxine. So which hormone help in the secretion of thyroxine? Which element help in the secretion of thyroxine? Iodine. If there is a less iodine, if we consume very less iodine, at that condition thyroxine will not secrete, and in that condition thyroid gland will inflame, swell up, and comes out of the neck, and in that condition it is called goiter. Understood? Once again I am repeating, if we are not eating or consuming iodine in the proper amount, at that time secretion of thyroxine will decrease, and if the secretion decreases, the thyroid gland swell up and protrude out of the neck. It look very odd like this. Okay, the neck look like this, and this inflammation of thyroid gland in common language called goiter. So iodine is very important for proper functioning of the thyroid gland. So state the function of iodine. State the function of iodine. Function of iodine in our body. Note down this question. Obviously the answer is already given over here. Lack of iodine lead to the swelling of the gland, and this condition is called goiter. Understood? Now we are going to study another important gland, that is called pancreas. You can see just below the stomach, or you can say just behind the stomach. Suppose it is a stomach, and just behind the stomach there is a leaf-like gland that is called pancreas. Pancreas secrete two kinds of secretion. Pancreas secretes two kinds of secretion. One, it's a digestive juices or digestive enzyme that help in digestion, but another function of pancreas is to secrete certain hormone, and these hormones have several other functions. So we will talk about the hormone secreted by pancreas. As the pancreas secrete both the digestive juices as well as the hormone, it is called mixed gland. So here question arises, why the pancreas called the mixed gland? Why is the pancreas called the mixed gland? Note down this question. Why is the pancreas called mixed gland? Pancreas called mixed gland because it secretes both the digestive enzymes as well as the hormones. Now we will talk about the hormones secreted by pancreas. So pancreas produce insulin hormone. It's a very important hormone. Okay, because insulin maintain the proper amount of blood sugar in the blood. Insulin is responsible for maintaining blood sugar level in our body. If insulin secreted is less amount, the blood sugar increases, and this causes diabetes. So here question arises, state the function of insulin. What is its from where is it produced? State the function of insulin. And next question, from where is it secreted? From where is it secreted? Noted. What is the cause of diabetes? Note down the question. What is the cause of diabetes? What is the cause of diabetes? It is another question. Hope you understood the whole phenomenon that has been taken place. So now another hormone called adrenal gland. Adrenal gland is present at the top of the kidney, and this adrenal gland secrete adrenaline. Which hormone is secreted from adrenal gland? Adrenaline. And this adrenaline is prepare everyone for any kind of emergency situation. So where first question arises, where is adrenal gland found? Adrenal gland found. Where is adrenal gland found? So adrenal gland are present just above the kidney. Next question, name the hormone secreted from adrenal gland. Name the hormone secreted from adrenal gland. Name the hormone secreted from adrenal gland. So which hormone is secreted from adrenal gland? Adrenaline. Understood? One of the hormone produced from the sickness is adrenaline. So, why adrenaline is called? Another question. Why adrenaline is called emergency hormone? Emergency hormone. Adrenal gland is called emergency hormone because it prepared us to face any kind of emergency situation or stressful situation. So it is the answer for today. That much. We will study later on about the pituitary gland and many more things. Thank you. Bye bye. See you.